Of course, we showcased a lot of amazing gadgets on this channel, but today's video takes things a few steps further. We will be talking about 10 extraordinary gadgets that you can buy them right now without regrets. Stay tuned to the end of the video and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Number 1. Treat. Have a 3D printed wireless charger with a sweet twist. Say the authors of Treat, they followed the fashion trend for eco-friendly products. The body of the device is made of a cornstarch-based material and the cables are partly made of straw. Plus, the shape of the device reminds us of beehives. And the author points out that these are very important for the planet. For example, they are the ones who pollinate 80% of flowering plants. Each buyer can assemble their own trees from components of different colors. A total of 1296 combinations are available. And if your smartphone supports MagSafe, the purchase will also come in handy as a phone stand. Number 2. Skeye Nano Drone. By 2025, the market for UAVs will grow to about $42.8 billion, which is not surprising because they can be used for everything from military operations to food delivery. And of course, there are recreational drones like this little model that costs about $50. It weighs only about 0.35 ounces, a little more than a matchbox. It has a gyroscope and accelerometer and 3 flight modes. Even beginners can figure out how to operate it. The 100 mAh battery is enough for about 8 minutes of flying, and it takes about half an hour to charge it up. It's perfect to have fun at home. And so practice before you buy something bigger, and there are 4 spare blades included in case of a crash. Number 3. UR112 AGGREGAT. Next up is a creation by a company from Switzerland known for its unusual watches. The inspiration for this model came from the most unexpected objects, such as pure gassy cars. In addition, the company has promised that it will produce only 25 pieces and sell them for about $253,000 each. Behind the 0.9-ounce watch is some incredibly detailed craftsmanship. The case is made of PVD-coated titanium, and the dial is covered with a sapphire dome. The power reserve is 48 hours, and the watch stands immersion to 98 feet. To see the seconds indication, you have to lift the case like the hood of a car. But double or nothing challenge for the watchmaker, the manufacturer says. Number 4. Lock & Smart. The manufacturers of this product claim we tested the safe 10,000 times by hitting it with a hammer, and it still works very well. They suggest using it for storing keys, credit cards, ID cards, and other items that you don't want to just leave on the entryway table. The same can be opened with a smartphone or the old-fashioned way, by answering a PIN code on the keyboard. The 2 AA batteries will last you a year. The safe is ready to work outdoors and can withstand temperatures up to -58 degrees Fahrenheit. A bunch of useful options are available in the app, from the activation log to the issuance of one-time codes. The main material is SPCC cold-rolled steel, which is often used to make computer cases live smarter, the manufacturer advised. Number 5. Sprocket. Squish's Simple Dimples puppet spinners, and the market of anti-stress toys is growing tremendously and enriching our vocabulary at the same time. In 2021, the sale of puppets alone increased 16 times, which is why designers from all over the world come up with their own anti-stress toys, so as not to miss out on the process. According to the seller of this model, these toys reduce stress by 80%. For a modest $4, you can keep your hands busy in order to declutter your mind and come down. However, the seller did not specify what to do with the remaining 20% of stress. Number 6. Skeye. This amazing piece of engineering comes from the United Kingdom. Its manufacturers are specialists in innovative kitchen devices, and they offer a gadget to simplify the preparation of soups, sauces, oatmeal, and other colonies. Hurry masterpieces, all you need to do is turn on the gadget, and it'll start moving around, and a pulse will pan, gently stirring the contents. Its legs are made up of heat-resistant nylon and can withstand up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, so your food won't stick to the bottom. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the gadget offers 3 speeds and a built-in timer. In addition, it rotates back and forth, simulating natural starting. The price is $24.50. Number 7. Watchdog's Mask. Watch Dogs is a very popular game series. Digital sales of Watch Dogs Legion alone amounted to about 1.9 million copies. One of the highlights of the game is the various masks. You can find many sites even hold mask design contests, awarding the winners with collector's editions of the game and other bonuses. And many people create new masks with 3D printers. Also, you can find this model for $45. In major online stores, buyers are offered 25 different emotions. Power comes from a CR2032 battery. The size is universal 6.7 by 6.3 inches. And the emoji change button on the right side of the mask will make for many spectacular photos. Number 8. HEN Glass Rinser. Here's a helper for your kitchen. It makes it easy to clean glasses, cups, bottles, and other items. The price starts at $57. And considering that people all over the world drink more than 2 billion cups of coffee every day, it'll come in handy everywhere, at home or at work. The device is made of stainless steel and delivers up to 2.6 gallons of water per minute. It is easy to install as everything is explained in the video manual. The seller is sure that the Gadget will help you waste less water and save time. And it's easy to match the kitchen interior with the 6 colors available. Number 9. Spinner. Did you know that the woman who invented spinners never became a millionaire? The fact is that she invented this toy in 1993, and by the time spinners became popular, her patent had expired. But you can still feel echoes of the spinner fever to this day. Companies around the world are producing and selling their own versions, lights, and sound effects, with unbreakable bearings, exotic shapes, and materials like titanium. The imagination of the manufacturers is limitless. For example, these models from Amazon are equipped with a low noise bearing and spin for up to 5 minutes. Number 10. Stellenberg Bag Holder. A typical problem for people who like to go everywhere with handbags and backpacks is that there's nowhere to put them. You don't want to put it on the floor. It's uncomfortable to hold this on your lap, and it slips off the back of your chair, which is really annoying. However, you can solve this problem for $12 with this product. The manufacturers didn't reinvent the wheel here and simply created an ordinary folding hook. It weighs 1.2 ounces and can hold up to 11 pounds. The rubber coating on the base will save your furniture from scratches as well. So guys, which gadgets did you like? Let us know in the comment section below, and we'll be bringing these gadgets to you in the future. To get updated, just need to subscribe to the channel. So as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.